Just
Start
screaming.
Yo, hold on, I got this.
No, the guy that was snoring is.
He was just talking to us like 3-4 minutes ago. I mean, ow.
Wait, hold on.
You snore.
Hold on.
Jesus, I felt my snoring.
Alright, we're good. Alright.
Is my serious?
Give him a jazz.
Hey, wake up, nigga!
Wake the fuck up!
Damn, you got a flat ass.
What are those?
You just feel him. He just gets louder.
This nigga.
Yo, Taylor, can your cousin hear us?
Yes. I changed my name, by the way.
Did he just die or something?
Yeah, he's comfy.
Dude, we gotta show that to Sophie. Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Bro, he's loud enough to be an alarm clock. Like,
that nigga's knocked the fuck out.
like, why sleep? Like, that's his fucking job right there, being an alarm clock. His nigga sleeps away from people.
Lexi, call him.
Please.
Hush, little baby.
I don't care. You can look at my picture. My picture.
Just look at the camera. Look at all you guys are like so interested in this. You guys, I swear to God, you guys haven't blinked in like 2 minutes. Just why?
That's
You
my
guys
way
think, like, you guys think I can be a stripper? Like my name could be like. Oh.
I'm gonna call him.
Jesus. Loud as fuck.
He went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Something niggas. I'm tired.
Yo,
Dude, you were knocked the
snoring
fuck
is
out.
so loud.
Should have woke me up, dude.
Good.
I said you should have woke me up.
We tried. Somebody tried to call me.
We tried. It just made your snoring louder.
You should have called me, dude. I'm like, yo, nigga, you're snoring.
As loud as
She
you were
did
snoring, you
call me.
probably wouldn't even have heard your phone.
Dude, it probably wasn't even me snoring. It's probably my mic right here, like.
That's alright, bro. I have a new profile picture now. Thanks.
Oh, my camera's not even loaded, so I can't see.